Welcome to another Goodwin English video lesson. I'm your teacher Randy League, and today we're going to learn more about how to greet people. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to continue studying how to greet people. In the last lesson, we looked at phrases like, how are you doing, and how's it going? Today, we're going to take a look at two other phrases that many people use. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. So the two phrases that we will look at today are very natural and very easy to use. These phrases are really good for starting conversations. Let's take a look. What's new? What's new? What's up? What's up? You can use these phrases to say hello and also to start a conversation. These two phrases have the same basic meaning. Both are okay to use. Now let's talk about how to reply to these two phrases. There are two ways. The first way is to reply with some event or something that has happened to you recently. For example, what's new? I saw the new Star Wars movie yesterday. It was good. What's up? Next week, I will go to Tokyo. It's not really important how you reply. It's more important that you reply with something. The other person wants to start a conversation. So, your reply doesn't have to be very interesting. Let's look at some other examples. What's new? I'm very busy at work. What's up? Friday, I will go to that new Japanese restaurant. Another way to reply to these greetings is to use the following phrases. Nothing special, not much. You can use these phrases to say that you don't have any interesting things to talk about. Let's look at a quick example. What's new? Nothing special. What's up? Not much. Let's do a little pronunciation practice. Please repeat after me. What's new? What's new? What's up? What's up? Nothing special. Nothing special. Not much. Not much. Let's do some role playing. First, I'm going to use one of the greetings we just learned. Please reply with the English you see on the screen. Good luck. What's up? What's up? What's new? What's new? Next, let's switch. You will greet me, and I will reply. Use the greeting you see on the screen. Good luck. Not much. Not much. I went to Tokyo last week. It was fun. I went to Tokyo last week. It was fun. Okay guys, that is it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching today. I hope you learned a lot. And don't forget to push the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.